So guys, to get the missing host file back in Windows 10, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on this PC. And then you're going to click on the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Windows. You're going to scroll down and click on System32. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. Scroll down and click on Drivers. Here it is. And then click on ETC. Now we're going to be here. You could also follow this whole path, which is going to be up here. Now you're going to find hosts. You're going to right click, copy, and then paste it onto your desktop. Right click on your desktop, and then click on paste. Now we're going to have hosts on our desktop. And then once you have the host file on our desktop, you're going to double click on it. And then click on Notepad, and then click on OK. And then once you're in this, you want to delete everything that's in this folder. Just going to delete all of this. And now you're going to copy and paste the code, which will be down below in the description. You're going to copy and paste all of this. It's going to start with copyright and then end of localhost. You're going to copy all of this, Control C, and now you're going to paste into here, Control V. Now you're going to click on File and then click on Save. Close this out. Now you're going to drag this host folder on your desktop into this folder. So just going to drag it in and then click on Replace. Continue. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.